Introducing Black and White Home Services, Gold Coast region. This unique opportunity involves operating a master franchise and working in general cleaning, lawn and garden care. This business has a passive income from the existing franchisees, along with an additional income from working in the field. The business comes with a Toyota Workmate ute and trailer with range of equipment, tools and products. Work comes from a range of areas, including the call centre at the Black and White head office in Brisbane. Offering flexible work hours, no area restriction of the Gold Coast, no staff or rental property expenses. This business is operated well with good profit margins and excellent cash flow. Black and White has contracts with various companies, including aged home care agencies and real estate agents. This is an excellent investment with the Gold Coast's strong population growth, ensuring future growth and expansion of the master franchise.